Good morning, my lovely students. Happy morning. How are you? Fine. And what about your worksheets and notes? Have you completed all the notes? Listen, children, and keep attention that all the whole assessment will be from the textbook only. So you have to refer from that and you have to work hard for that. And also play a lot, isn't it? So today we will be going with the revision of vowels, consonants, statements and questions. So let's start with our revision. Okay, let's start beta. So my dear students, you remember vowels? I taught you vowels that are A, E, I, O, U, and another than the vowels are the consonants. But first we have to go with the vowels. So let's recap with our revision. Fill in the blanks with vowels A, E, I, O, U to complete these words. So you have to fill the blank to complete the words. See, recognize, identify the picture and then write the spelling. It will be more easy for you. H, dash and D. ये किसका picture है बेटा? Hand. So what's missing over here? Yes, and it should be a vowel. Either A, E, I, O, U. It's vowel. Okay? Fish. I. It's a vowel. Again, yes. A, O, again these are the vowels. So you have to fill the vowel in this. Now again identify the picture. Yes, it's a picture of fan. So what will be the missing letter over here? A. It's a vowel. आपको vowel ही इसमें fill करना है. ठीक है? Vowels क्या सिखाया था मैंने? A, E, I, O and U. These are the vowels. Other than the vowels are the consonants. So 3 I have done for you and rest of these blanks you will be doing. Okay. Now we will switch on to the consonants to complete these words. Yes. Now let's see the picture. Let's see the picture. Identify the picture. What's this beta? It's a pen. So what's the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. So what's the missing over here? P. So you will be writing P. What picture? Now identify the picture. It's a picture of owl. And what are the missing letters over here? W, L. Okay. Followed. Now next one is, tell me. Yes, it's a picture of tree. So you will be writing the missing letters over here. Moon. What is spelling of moon? Correct. M-O-O-N. So these are the missing consonants that you have to fill in these blanks. So fill in the blanks with consonants to complete these words. तो आपको समझ में आया vowels and the consonants. Next one. Yes, rose, beer, book, bird. So you will 4 of these you will be doing. What are the missing letter over here? You have to recollect the spelling and write down the missing letter over here. So these are the vowels as well as the consonants. Followed? Yes. Now we will switch on to the another exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. To complete these sentences, use words given in the box. So the words will be given to you in the table form and read the sentence and fill in the blanks. Okay. The cow dash grass. Now tell me beta, grass के साथ cow क्या करती है? You have to think. Eat. Eats. The cow eats grass. The cow eats grass. You have to pick this and write over here. Okay. The boy dash a ball. आप बॉल के साथ क्या करते हैं जब भी खेलते हैं तो? Throw. You throw a ball. You have to pick a spelling and word and write over here. The boy throws a ball. Okay. The girl dash a book. The girl dash a book. So you will be writing over here, the girl dash a book. क्या करते हो आप बुक के साथ? टेल मी, आपको बुक मैंने दिया, आप क्या करते हो? मैं नोट्स भेजती हूँ, आप क्या करते हो? रीड करते हो ना? यस, द गर्ल रीड्स अ बुक. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, मदर डैश टी. यस, मदर ड्रिंक्स टी. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन, the sun dash in the east. The sun, yes. Read the sentence twice. If you are not able to follow, read again, then do it properly. Okay? She dash her teeth. आप सुबह सुबह क्या करते हैं? क्या करते हैं? You brush your teeth, no? Yes. She brush her teeth. She brush her teeth. She dash her shoe. क्या करते हो आप? कम ऑन टेल मी, आप शूज़ के साथ क्या करते हो जब भी आप स्कूल जाते हो तो? शी पॉलिशेस हर शूज़. शी पॉलिशेस हर शूज़. शी ब्रशेस हर टीथ. शी ब्रशेस हर टीथ. टीथ के साथ क्या करते हो आप? यस, सिमिलर वे इट विल कम हियर, ब्रशेस हर टीथ. अगेन, शी डैश हर शूज़, polishes her shoes. So you have got it. These words will be given to you in a table form that you have to select from that and complete these sentences. Okay. Now we will move to the another one, that is statement and question. Do you remember? If I am giving a statement, you have to put a full stop, and if I am asking something, then there will come a question mark. Correct. So, mother cooks food for us. It's a question. मैंने आपसे पूछा मम्मी क्या कर रही है, कि मैंने बताया mother cooks food for us. So what will come here? Full stop. Another one. Will you play with me? I am asking to you. Will you play with me? Then what will come over here? Question mark. Correct. Very good. My students are very smart. Now another one is birds build nest. It's a statement. मैं कुछ बता रही हूँ, मैं पूछ नहीं रही हूँ, तो इसमें क्या लगेगा? Correct. So you have got the clue now, no? Yes. What do birds eat? Birds क्या खाते हैं? मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे, तो what will come over here? Question mark. The sun gives us light. It's a statement. So yes. Do you have a pen? Do you have a pen? I am asking to you. Yes. So what will come over here? What will come over here? Question mark. So that was all for the today. It was a revision of vowels, consonants, statements and sentences. So hope children you have followed the revision. Everything you have to refer very nicely and you have to work hard. राइट एंड लर्न. लिख लिख के लर्न करना है, नहीं तो आप भूल जाएंगे. और प्रैक्टिस भी अच्छा होगा लिखने का. व्हेन यू विल राइट यू विल लर्न वेरी नाइसली. ओके. सो माय डियर पेरेंट्स एंड चिल्ड्रंस, लेट मूव टू द पेपर स्टाइल. ओके. नाउ आई विल बी टेलिंग यू द पेपर स्टाइल ऑफ इंग्लिश ग्रामर. So my dear parents and my students, my lovely students, now I will be telling you the paper style in which pattern it will be asked to you. So our subject will be English grammar paper pattern. Okay. So vowels I taught you now in this format only. The vowels will be asked of 5 marks. Consonants will be of 5 marks. You have to identify the picture and write down. Sentences will be of 4 marks. Fill in the blanks as I taught you now in revision. It will be of 5 marks. Arrange in alphabetical order 6 marks. For example, I have written bat, cat, mat, app. So which letter, which spelling will come first? You have to write in order. App, bat, then cat, mat, set, like this. So that will be arranged in a alphabetical order. This is to be arranged in an alphabetical order. Correct. So the total overall assessment of English grammar will be of 25 marks. Okay. I hope my dear students and respected parents, you have followed the paper pattern. बच्चों अच्छे से मेहनत करना, अच्छे से आपको असेसमेंट लिखना है एंड ऑल्सो टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर हेल्थ एंड एन्जॉय योर फेस्टिवल्स. बहुत ज़रूरी हो तो ही घर से बाहर जाना है, नहीं तो घर पे ही रहना है. स्टे ब्लेस्ड एंड ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्ज़ाम. बाय बाय स्टूडेंट्स.